Hello and welcome guys. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add profile picture in your Google account. My name is Junaid Iqbal and you are watching Techy Eagle YouTube channel. Let's jump into the video. I am on my phone screen. Here you have to open Gmail application. After opening it, click on the profile image in the top right corner. Then click on Google account. This page will appear in front of you. You have to click on the personal info. Here you have to scroll down and click on the profile picture. Some loading will appear and Google will show you this screen. Here you can add your profile picture. To click on add profile picture. Here you can choose from your device photo or you can start exploring and use some of Google photos. I will choose from my device. Click on browse or take a photo. I will click on media because I want to browse the photo which is already available on my phone. You can click on camera and take a selfie. Here you have to select the image you want to set as a profile image of your Google account. I am selecting mine. Photo is uploading. Here your photo has been uploaded. You can crop it or rotate it to fit in the screen. After this, click on the next and click on save as profile picture. After this, your profile has been updated. You can change profile picture anytime by clicking on this change button and remove your profile picture by clicking on remove button. That's it for today's video. If this video helps you, please click on the like button, share to your friends. If you have any problem, comment down. I will answer you as soon as possible to solve your problem. That's me, Junaid Iqbal, signing out.